Laycon of Laycon.
Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. After Nengi pushed Ozo away, see what she was spotted doing with Laycon at the Saturday night party. Last night, Saturday party was a bitter altercation between Ozo and his love interest Nengi, as Nengi told him to leave her alone, that she does not need a stupid love. Nengi was probably upset about the way Ozo has been following her and putting pressure on her to accept to take their friendship to the next level as true love couples. Well, just after Nengi pushed Ozo away, she marched straight to Laycon, where she served him with some lap dance as usual, and their intimate dance session lasted for 10 minutes. Interestingly, Nengi has found a connection with Laycon, especially on the dance floor on Saturday parties, and she admitted to him that she loves it when she's dancing with him. Check this out, guys.